Hey guys, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be doing another Audubon bird stuffed animal video. These stuffed animals are really cool. You could go on Safari and search them. You could get whichever ones you want. They're all $9.99. And today, we're just gonna learn their names and do the sounds, and they're gonna talk to you guys. So, guys, we will start with the robin. His name is Pumpkin because of the orange belly. He wants to talk about something. He said, "Hi, can we please talk about something? Hi, 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 hi." So guys, you can talk about whatever you want to talk about with him. I'm going to squeak his nose now. Okay guys, now we're going to talk with the cardinal, the most beautiful. Well, not the blue jay or the cardinal or the robin, whichever one you think. It's your opinion. Okay. And his name is Raspberry because of the red. And he's gonna talk to you guys now. I said hi, hi. He said hi, 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 hi. Hi YouTube, I really want to talk to you. So guys, say something to him, and then he'll tweet back. He said, hi, 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 hi. Thank you for viewing this YouTube video. And he said, please, 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 please like and subscribe to my daddy's YouTube channel. Please, please, please. Okay, and last but not least, the blue jay. Here he is. His name is Blueberry because of the blue. And guys, say something to him, then he'll tweet back. He said, hi, 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 hi. He said, hi, hi, hi. This is my first time on YouTube. It is really fun. So guys, we're going to end that video right there. It's just a short video. I'll put the link to a live bird feeder video in the description. Peace.